Hold on, did we lose eDrawings in SOLIDWORKS Connected?
Hi there and welcome to Hitchhiker's Guide to 3D Experience. My name is Christoffer. I'm a certified SOLIDWORKS expert and an elite application engineer with a passion for the 3D Experience platform. In this video we will investigate the different file viewing options we have in SOLIDWORKS Connected and SOLIDWORKS Desktop.
When it comes to viewing and exploring CAD files outside of CAD software, for years many SOLIDWORKS users have been using eDrawings. SOLIDWORKS Desktop is capable of saving your CAD files directly to eDrawing files, which makes it more convenient to share files with other stakeholders who doesn't have access to SOLIDWORKS. The recipient would then install the free eDrawing software to be able to open and explore those files. But SOLIDWORKS Connected does not include the installation of eDrawings, and neither does it include the capability of saving SOLIDWORKS files as eDrawing files. So how can we share our CAD files with someone not using SOLIDWORKS? In SOLIDWORKS Connected, the eDrawings application is replaced by the 3D Play app. This application is available for all that have access to the 3D Experience platform, and it doesn't even require installation since it runs in the browser environment. So how does this solve the sharing side of things? Well, for SOLIDWORKS users connected to the 3D Experience platform, it's actually possible to share a copy of the CAD file directly from inside of SOLIDWORKS. The default file that is shared is a .3dxml file, which is quite similar to an eDrawings file in regard to functionality. There's no feature tree information shared with a 3dxml file, but the CAD structure can be explored and measured easily. The really cool thing about this share feature is that the user can automatically send an email with a link to view the file directly to the intended recipient. Access to view the file can be restricted to specific emails, and all it requires for the recipient to be able to use the link is a free 3D Experience ID. And when the recipient clicks the link in the email, they will be able to explore, measure, and mark up the CAD structure, and they can even send feedback directly to you. And SOLIDWORKS will notify you about any feedback in real time, and you can access it directly from inside of SOLIDWORKS. To me, that is definitely an upgrade compared to eDrawings. And also, if needed, the .3dxml file can even be downloaded and opened in eDrawings and explored there as well if your recipient prefers this.
Okay, that's it for now. If you made it all the way through, please leave a comment if you have anything else you would like to see covered in a future video. For example, where to access the SOLIDWORKS task scheduler in SOLIDWORKS Connected. Let me know. Also, if you haven't yet, go check out my previous video on the render tools available in SOLIDWORKS Desktop and SOLIDWORKS Connected. And be sure to look out for my next video covering saving a sheet format in SOLIDWORKS Connected. Thanks for now. See you next time.